Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable CoPilot. So CoPilot is the new feature and it's available in latest Windows update guys. I show you guys how to enable or disable it. Just right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Here you can able to see the CoPilot option listed over here guys under taskbar items. You just need to enable or disable by your preferences guys. If you not see this option in here, then you just need to update your Windows guys. By updating your Windows you can get Copilot option. On left side click on Windows update, click on check for updates. If any available listed over here, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, you just need to restart your PC guys for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, you can able to see the Copilot option guys. You need to update the latest version. Afterwards, you can able to enable the Copilot option. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.